What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I just found something that sounds really interesting. They're calling it the first gummy drop. Since 1870, the first gummy drop. Made in America, 100% guaranteed. The all-natural Pine Bros gummy sore throat drops. Please tell me if you guys have ever heard of these, because this is the first time in my life I've ever seen these. And these have been around since 1870. Okay, how many do we get? Does it say? There's like the whole story on the back. We get 30 drops, and this is what's in it. Gum acacia. I really don't need them, even though I want to try them. So you guys please share in the comments if that's something that you guys have been using for years, or if that's something that you guys like. Because I have never seen those or tried those, but I am interested. And another thing, if you guys missed my last video, this is something that I am so excited to try. It's the Gummy Bear Exfoliating Lip Scrub. Also, next to this one was a cotton candy collagen like gel mask or something for lips. I was like, I don't really want the mask. It's kind of like a pink like liquid that you just put on your lips, I guess. I'm more interested in the lip scrub. And I know we can make our own with like sugar and, you know, like olive oil and all that other stuff, but this just sounds so cute. I wanted to try it. Now I wanted to come over here to see if I could find some hair items for Birdy, but this store, I don't think they carry any products for African American hair at all. I'm not seeing any this visit. Now, I'm seeing some Lusty Naturals, but I'm looking for something in particular, and I know I'm going to be able to find it at Walmart. But yeah, some stores carry a little more hair care than others, and depending upon where you're shopping, you might have to kind of keep the demographics in mind. I mean, it's the numbers that I think they go by, and they understand what the customers in that particular area may be looking for. So keep that in mind when you're shopping for specific special items that maybe not all areas carry. These are so cute, you guys. They're cute and they're really sturdy. These are cute little night lights. Like, they feel super, super sturdy. Oh my gosh, you guys. And look what's back. The little lights are back. Who remembers these? These show up every year. The cute little lights. They're actually really bright. They're good. And they're so little and cute. And they do go kind of fast, so grab them sooner than later. These are also brand new. The micro USB cables. And I have been loving my little generic pop socket. I've been using it for months on this phone, and when I first started using it, I really didn't like it that much, but it's softened up a little bit. Or I don't know, maybe I've just gotten used to it, but I really like it now. Ooh, wild apple and ashwood, sun-kissed eucalyptus, Hawaiian salt and citrus, pink amber poppy, raspberry prosecco, and beachy keen are all back in stock. It's rare that we see all of those here. You know what I mean. Beach rose, fragrance oil, incense. We have fragrance oils. It's weird, you guys. Like, normally when I'm filming in Dollar Tree, I feel like I'm moving the same pace as everyone else. But because I'm filming the Wednesday before Christmas, I feel like I'm moving like super slow motion and everyone is just like hustling around. Excuse me. And I'm gonna be back to hustling around very shortly as soon as I finish like all my filming in here. But yeah, at the moment, I feel like I'm like moving in slow motion. 3-in-1 cleaner. That's the Armor All brand. Armor All? Armor All? Wait a minute, Armor All? Cleaner, disinfects and deodorizes. Yeah, you guys, I don't know why I looked past this, like maybe they changed the logo or something, but this is Armor All, you guys. Like, this stuff goes for so much more everywhere else. This is a huge container, 24 ounces. The disinfectant 3-in-1 cleaner. That's a great deal to be here at Dollar Tree. An amazing deal. Also this goes for like $28 everywhere else. The Refresh and Brighten maintenance wash. I think this goes for like $28 at Home Depot. I walked past this area earlier and the aisle was a little busy, so I didn't really take my time. Okay, I'm trying to think what we have left to look at. This is probably going to be my last video for the week. In case you guys missed it, the Sesame Street 123 Berry by General Mills is here. Great name brand find. Let's look at the drinks. We have Big Sunny D's. These aren't normally here. This is the 56 ounce. 40% more free. Well, hey you guys, this ended up being a long one, so I actually cut it in half. I'm kind of trying to preserve content for a few days because I am so tired from Christmas and I just kind of want to have a couple extra days at home. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Look out for the second half of this video tomorrow. I love you guys so much and thank you for watching. Bye guys.